Right guys, it's Tuesday and it's my day to cook. So I've been to Lidl, I've got myself some 5% lean beef mince, and it comes in a vacuum pack and it's absolute nightmare to break up. It used to be so much easier. I'd probably recommend going to the butcher's, to be honest, and just getting it from there. I think I will do that in future. Them vacuum packs are terrible, look at that. How's that? This is some big massive chunks. Anyway, we're going to get that cooked away. Don't forget to add a little bit of salt, not too much, just a little bit. And obviously a bit of pepper. Do like pepper. And then normally Lucy insists that I put all these things in, but I don't even know what I'm looking for. Yeah, there we go. We'll stick a bit of that one in. We'll stick a little bit of garlic in. Obviously don't want too much, just a little bit of garlic in there. And then one of my favourite ingredients to add is a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. And I just want to big up these pans as well. These Hex clad pans, they're just phenomenal, seriously, they're just so good. Right, so I've just made my own homemade chili con carne sauce. And the ingredients is a family recipe going back for years and years. So I'll just get that in there. It's got kidney beans in there, tomato, bit of spice, and yeah, that's it done. We just let that now cook away for about half an hour. Okay, that's been cooking for 15 minutes, let's check on that. Look at that, how nice that looks. Smells amazing. Okay, we've got 10 minutes to go now till that's ready. So what I like to do now is I like to add some mushrooms in there, otherwise they go too soft and sloppy. I like them to be a little bit crunchy, the mushrooms. And we're just going to submerge them and let them incorporate all the flavours. There we go. And then we're going to give that 10 minutes with the lid on. And you can serve it up with rice or you can serve it up with jacket potatoes. I'm having jacket potatoes. I put the spuds in the air fryer after the microwave and they've gone lovely and brown and crispy. Let's check these out. Look how soft. Oh, look at them. They are so soft then and crunchy on the outside. I'm getting quite good at making these spuds. Right, so there's mine. This one will be Lucy's and Vinny will have this one. There we go. Sometimes I take the skin off of Vinny. He's not that keen on the skin. So come and plate me tea up with me. So we get the butter. How much butter do you put on? And we're going to put that in there. And then put a little bit of butter on this one. Sometimes use Philadelphia. Sometimes use butter. Let's get some of that on there. So we're having jacket potatoes and chili con carne. Homemade. Right, in the moment of truth. Here it is. Ooh, try not to spill this. I'm going to spill this and I'm going to look stupid, isn't it? That is hot. Damn. We need something to scoop it out with. Let's have a look what we got. Have we got a scooper? Ah, there we go. Scooper. It's very, very, is that really watery? It won't crack the side, this, will it? Will it crack the side? That hot pan crack the side? No, actually not, so maybe it will, I don't know. Right, oh, it looks good, this. There we go, look at that. Absolutely tons here. I've got the big, massive 5% mince. There's me. Lucy, she only has one potato. And 2 and a bit scoops. And then Vinny, give him a try. Just 1 scoop of Vinny. That's it. That was it. And then finally, you got to get some cheese on there. Oh. There we go. And the bit that's left over there, all that, tomorrow, I'll eat that cold after the gym.